Hey guys, what's up? We are back in the attic. Yep, you guys know this is the attic. I'm gonna show you guys my attic. I do have the thumbnail for my thermostat, my furnace, and slash outdoor unit thumbnail for you guys. So here it is, our gas furnace. It's a beautiful gas furnace. The attic is way smaller, but it could be built some more. Plan on building this. Working on some type of project for an attic. And some attics won't be that big. And be careful, I'm about to fall. And I won't be doing too much here because I'm gonna fall here. And I'm supposed to be getting these boxes here. Ain't no waiting another few minutes. I waited the last few minutes, and I ain't waiting any longer for this furnace to start up. So I'm glad I'm back here. So here are the things. And it's hot up in this attic. And I am about to fall. I have a feeling that I'm falling right now. So you can see, this is my attic. My full attic. This is not a play place to play. Kids, don't play in the attic, please. But this is my furnace. And we are going to be doing a startup and shutdown with this furnace. I'm going to let you hear the rest of it. It'll shut down. I'm going to let you hear all the process of the furnace shutting down. And there's a switch over there for that furnace, which will go on. Or if you just want the outdoor unit on, it won't cool your house down. It lets you have the furnace on. You got to be able to have a whole furnace set. But this furnace is a lot different than my grandma's furnace. It has like clicks. It has a speed where it drops into low speed and high speed. That's what a carrier mostly does. And I got most of the views on some of these. Last of these, I haven't got any views. I wanted to do more full cycles with it. And I'm gonna definitely get into, I don't care what nobody says, but just do me. I do everything else what I gotta do. If they say not to do it, too bad. I'm doing it for you guys. You guys are about to hear this. And I'm about to go start it up. I'm not doing it downstairs. It is hot in here, but it's cooler here now. And I'm going to start this up. And I'm going to only do it one time, and one time only for you guys. So here you go. Yeah, I know you hear a little nighttime thing. I'm going to put this on. There's too many boxes right here. I'm going to move some of this. There we go. Try to go for right here. Just for now. And we're going to start it up in about 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hope you guys enjoyed the startup and shutdown of this furnace. Here we go. And again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Going downstairs to the attic now. The plan to start the furnace. For you guys to hear this. Y'all enjoy the startup. Alright guys, here's the air handler is running. It's actually a gas furnace, it's not the air handler. I keep saying air handler. My dad does have an air handler. Did not get to get a Goodman furnace, which I was supposed to. We have zone 1, we have zone 3. So we I don't know. We only have one air conditioner in this house. My dad has 2. There's Goodman and the Carrier Comfort. Let's show some more. There's probably are some more furnaces that sound just like this. It sounds like a Bryant furnace. It's actually a Carrier furnace. Alright guys, I'm gonna go shut it off now. Now I'm about to do the shutdown for this furnace. I'm gonna let you finish. We'll let the furnace actually guys, we're gonna let it finish up. I'm gonna go ahead and record the whole process. Just like y'all can hear this. So y'all like to hear this. So sit back up and I'm gonna shut it off now. Time for the shutdown. This furnace. That's the end of the video. Sorry about the camera blocking. I really got my fingers in the way. They're really going to trip over. Y'all, thank you so much for watching. And I hope you all enjoy it. This is the whole full system startup and shutdown with my full system unit. Filming my entire system unit. And I showed you guys the thermostats too. These are both carrier. We have 2 of them. And we have an outdoor unit. And we only have 1. And you guys thinking that we have 2. We don't actually have 2. We have 1. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope this video entertains you and then gives you a little white noise too with it. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all all in the next video. Peace out.